welcome to my first tutorial here on YouTube. What I'm going to show you guys today is how to set up Pinnacle 11 or 12 to use your default sound card. This cannot be done in Pinnacle, but will have to be done in another way, which I'm going to show you just in a minute. One more thing is that this will only work on Windows Vista. I don't know how it's done on Windows XP. So let's get started. Go to Start, Computer, go to the hard drive you saved your Pinnacle on, most likely C. Go to Users, Common Files, Documents, Pinnacle, Program Files, Pinnacle, Studio 11 or 12 depending on the version you have. I have got Pinnacle Studio 11, but this also works on Pinnacle Studio 12. Programs, Sites. This is the name of my computer. It would be something different in your case, but if it's only your computer, it will be the only folder there. But just double click that one and go to Settings and scroll all the way down until you see like this metal wheel with a paper background. Double click that one. It's called Settings. Go all the way down until you have like first you search for this code called ASIOIO. I didn't find it when I searched for it, but you might, and it's very important that you don't write two of it. But if you don't find it, which is pretty common, I think, you have to write it and this code under it. I'll put this in the description, so just copy and paste it, but remember that it has to be in 2 lines to work. Then press Ctrl S and quit, and now open your Pinnacle Studio as usual, but this time it will be with sound. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome to send me an email if you have any problems, and remember to subscribe.